Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode equation that is 1636 and this is sort array by increasing frequency, and in this we'll be given an array of integers num, then we have to sort the array in increasing order based on the frequency of the values, and if the values have the same frequency we have to sort them in decreasing order. Okay, and we have to return the sorted array. For example, in this we are having nums as 1 1 2 2 2 and then 3. So 3 with the least frequency will come at first, then 1 with the second least frequency will come at second, and 2 with the highest frequency will come at last. Okay, so basically this is what we have to do, and now for this we are having the simple solution as okay, let me just think that we can use a pair class. We'll definitely need a pair. No, sorry. So let's first have class pair, and if I'll do instead of pair, let's use a map instead. Okay, a map of integer comma integer, and basically the frequency as well. Let's call it map that is equal to a new hash map. Okay, and then we'll have the frequency in it, that for int num in nums map dot put num comma map dot get or default num comma 0, sorry, and num comma 0 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and now for sorting this we can use a priority queue. Okay, so queue of okay, so even if I add it in the queue based, no, okay, I'll add a custom comparator in the queue, of integer, that is map, or let's call it min heap, that is equal to a new priority queue, and on this we'll be adding the elements based on the a comma b, on the basis of map dot get a minus map dot get b, and then we'll be doing a min heap dot add all. We'll just add it in one row, that is map dot key set. Okay, and now let's have an answer array that is equal to new int of size num dot length only, and index that is equal to initially 0. Okay, now what we'll be doing is that while not min heap dot is empty, what we'll be doing is we'll be getting the number that will be equal to min heap dot poll, and then we'll be adding that number, that the frequency times into the answer array. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be getting the frequency as well, and frequency that will be equal to map dot get num. So then while frequency minus minus is greater than 0, we'll be doing an answer of ind plus plus equal to my current num. Okay, and at the end let's just return the answer array. Now let's give it a run. And I wish, okay, so it gives me an error. So the expected output is okay, just a second. Oh yeah, so what happened when you don't read the question statement properly? It says that if the multiple values have the same frequency, we have to sort them in decreasing order. Okay, so let's, instead of this, we'll always obviously be giving this, but if we'll be saying that if map dot get uh, a is equal to map, oh, it's not equal to map dot get b. Okay, in that case we have to return map dot get a minus, this basically means that we are sorting it on the basis of their increasing frequency, else we'll be returning b minus a. This means that we are sorting them on the basis of their values, which is in this case decreasing. Now let's yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, So and it gets accepted as well. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.